Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I do my laundry. I have no laundry machine, so I hand wash my clothes, and this is how I do it. I hope it gives you extreme motivation to do this never-ending task, laundry. Let's get started. This is everything that I'm going to be using. But first, this is the pile of clothes that I have to wash. There are so many. The basket is full, as you can see. That is the washing powder that I'll be using, the peg hangers, and my piece of soap, plus the extra basins full of water. If you're new here, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Jonas, a stay-at-home mom of 4. I do cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos. I would love for you to subscribe and join my family on YouTube. Please leave me a comment down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. They give me the motivation that I need to create more content. And here I'm doing the final round. I have a routine for laundry or washing. Monday it's me and hubby. Wednesday is for the kids, and Saturday is still for the kids. If I miss any of those days, then the backlog will take me like a month to deal with. So I try and always do it on its specified day and time. But I'd like to know, how do you cope with your laundry? Do you have a weekly routine or a daily routine? And by the way, sometimes I wash from the bathtub. If you would like to see that, let me know in the section below. I hope you enjoy and like this video. Please give it a like if you happen to like it. Share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, so that you don't miss to see how I fold, iron them, or keep them in their respective places. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon in a new video. Bye family.